Hello friends, welcome to the course of Marketing Management 1. I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing, and under unit number 1, Introduction to Marketing, today we are going to discuss the topic Evolution of Marketing. Before going ahead, let me tell you, in the unit number 1, we have divided this unit into 9 sessions, 9 small videos, which includes first video of evolution of marketing, product, production, sales and marketing concepts. Then in second video, we're going to discuss definitions of marketing, CCDVTP, functions of marketing. Then we'll have a discussion on core concepts of marketing such as need, want, demand, customer value exchange. In the third, fourth video, we are going to discuss about customer, consumer satisfaction, customer delight, customer loyalty, marketing versus market, definition of market, competition, key customer market, marketplaces, market spaces, meta market, customer relationship management, marketing myopia, societal, transactional, relational and holistic marketing concepts that we are going to learn in this unit, as well as evaluating opportunities in the changing marketing environment, role and functions of marketing manager, marketing challenges in the globalized economic scenario, impact of technology and social responsibility. And the last session will comprises of cross-functional linkages between marketing and other business functions, process of marketing, selling versus marketing, brick and quick model. Moving ahead with today's topic of discussion, evolution of marketing. You know, in the ancient age, there was an barter system 1000 years ago. So the exchange of goods with the goods. So the people are used to give a goods to each other rather than any transactional media like money. So money was not there. So if I want to buy something as an oil or food, I have to give something that is with me. So that is nothing but the barter system. In Marathi, it was called Bava Balotedar, and there are 12 different kind of people in the community who satisfy the need of each other. Then before 400 to 500 years ago, traditional marketplace has been established. So the money came in existence, and the market weekly bazaars is started constructing. Moving ahead in 18th 19th century, sellers marketplace has started developing, and slowly industrialization has been started. So you might know the diesel engines came, then steam engine came in the market, and you find somewhat industrializations. Before that, there was a total economy which was based on agrarian economy. Agriculture, entire economy was depend on an agricultural, and the commodity was exchanged in the heart of weekly bazaar, and some of the places has been developed. Moving ahead, you know how the innovations happen after when the invention of diesel engine, steam engine, slowly mechanization has been started, electricity came, and in 20th century, so the newspaper came, radio came, electricity came. Then in if you see in around 1950, 60, so slowly the industrializations has came in the market, and that has been lots of evolutions happens. And in 21st century, the new age of marketing came, and you all of you know, in the last 30 years, the changes in the world is happens much more because of this internet evolution, computers. Then simultaneously, so many companies has been evolved in the market, and today you find that the industrializations and industries has one of contributing a major in the development of an human being. So this was something evolution of marketing, because of as productions has increased, the consumption pattern is changed. So importance of an marketing has been also changed. So in terms of, if you see again in the last 400 years of marketing timeline, 1600 to 2000. So world's first newspapers published in Germany in 16th century, posters and handbills used for promotion in England. So it's like an advertising how communication of the product has been started from 16th of century. Then in 17th century, daily newspaper in London devoted more than half the available space to the advertising. Early instances of a periodical dedicated to business science and innovations. In 18th century, earliest recorded use of the telegraph for mass unsolicited spam, earliest recorded billboards rentals, first recorded instance of paid product placement, and early example of trademark and branding came in the 18th century. And in 19th century, the first marketing course taught. Harvard Business School opens. Harvard was one as the early influence on marketing. Magazine reports of having 50% of cinemas show advertising programs. Radio advertising commences and systemized of telemarketing e-commerce developed. Emergence of relationship marketing has also came in existence. And in the 2000, in the year century 2000, you all know identification of viral marketing gains, integrated marketing gains and importance. Emergence in social media marketing after 2003-2004. This Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so many digital marketing has been evolved, and the changing in the last 400 years you find the evolutions as a great place of marketing take place. You can see the advertisement of Tata company in the two centuries. So you find how Tata has been built themselves as one of the great.
The industrial conglomerate
reach up to 2 billion users
with
Taboola.
Online marketing is a
so that you can
Our
get
mobile
an
has
insight
to
how
search for us.
the
Search
evolution
pioneered multiple industries in India. Native
ads
remains
that
a
grow
market
your
leader.
I will not show you the entire video.
You've probably heard of Tata
But
Motors.
I will. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK for getting an updated video in marketing.